Join me in celebrating Outlook's journey. A significant event occurred in the digital world in 1997. Microsoft marked a pivotal moment in the evolution of email services. Outlook, the trailblazer in email communications, changed how we send and receive information through our computers. Let's raise our virtual glasses to exciting adventures and the timeless impact of Outlook. Here's her story.
In a land of productivity and organization, a matriarch was launched on January 16, 1997. Her name was Outlook, and she was destined to change how we communicate and manage our daily lives. Microsoft released Outlook as part of the Microsoft Office 97 suite. She was a testament to innovation and adaptability, which laid the foundation for the future of emails, calendars, contacts, tasks, notes, and journals. The world of email and personal information management has forever changed how we work.
In the early years, Outlook released a new version like clockwork every 3 years or so. Each application upgrade as part of the Office or Microsoft 365 suites introduces practical capabilities and a more user-friendly interface to help us stay on top of our game. We came to love folders, advanced search, categories, create rules, flagging, and mail merge. Outlook for Windows has been a trusted companion to millions worldwide, enhancing our daily productivity and efficiency. We gain access to more enhanced functionality, attachment links, focused inbox, dictation, and integrations with OneNote and Teams, to name a few. Outlook refused to be complacent and recognized the need to adapt to modern-day technologies to cater to the changing world. As a result, Outlook diversified its range of products to cater to individual user needs, be it for personal, family, work, or school purposes.
First, Outlook.com replaced Hotmail. It is a more modern and streamlined free version of Hotmail. Later on, for those who preferred to work in a web browser, there is Outlook for the web, a simplified but powerful and versatile tool for managing our email, calendar, and contacts.
But Outlook didn't stop there. She also gave us the Mail and Calendar app that users could download from the Microsoft Store. This app is a lightweight and easy-to-use tool for handling our messages and schedules, generally for personal use. Recently, this app changed its name to align with the rest of the Outlook services, bringing the unity but the versatility of Outlook. And now, the youngest member of the Outlook family has arrived. New Outlook for Windows is here, and she is ready to take the torch and lead us into the future. New Outlook may not have all the desktop features that users have grown to appreciate. Still, it is usable and user-friendly, growing and maturing with new functionality, such as calendar filtering RSVPs and meeting types, sweep commands to automate moving emails and pinning important messages to the top. And users are experiencing new integrations with the To-Do Task Manager, Loop, and Copilot, the AI generator. Let us take a moment to honor Outlook, the matriarch of the Outlook product line. She has been a reliable partner, and while she may retire one day, her services will be carried forward by the next generation of present-day Outlook with AI capabilities. Outlook, now known as Outlook Classic to some users, leaves us with these words of wisdom.
Be patient, my dear Microsoft 365 users. My entire Outlook family is going through a transformation. Also, new Outlook may be young, but she will fully develop and provide great features and services, just like I have done for all these years. Trust the next era of Outlook's mail, calendar, contacts, and tasks management, for they will not disappoint you.
So let us honor classic Outlook and welcome all Outlook's offspring with open arms. Digital transformation is our future, and our future is right now.